Hi everyone, my name is Bhupesh Ahuja and I am part of sales team with DSP Mutual Fund. I have completed 15 years with DSP. I joined DSP in May 2007 and that year we at DSP were offering 16 different strategies to our clients. Today, DSP has over 50 funds including equities, hybrid, passive, international fund of funds schemes. I have been part of that journey of all 36 NFOs launched in last 15 years by DSP, including AIFs. At time, many such NFOs were innovative ideas and unique offerings. I feel proud that in most of the funds I have invested personally as part of skin in the game. At the time of my joining DSP, BSE Sensex was around 13,500 level, and today in September 2022, it is touching 56,000 level. That turns out to be a double digit CAGR. And I feel proud that during this journey of the market, with each year passing, we as a team have learned more when markets were volatile and when we faced adversity and challenges. I learned at DSP that successful investing is about managing the risk and not avoiding it. Perfection is sometimes boring. Getting better is where all the fun is. At DSP, I try to become better every day while keeping the fun and charm intact. DSP as an organization keep motivating us to learn new things and we always remain as a student to learn more. DSP has a positive environment in which we feel empowered to do good work for the organization and for the clients. DSP has a high performance culture and committed to developing a great leadership behaviors, leveraging our collective efforts and diversity to drive performance for our clients. The organization believes in the core principle with a founder mindset that our role is as a fiduciary to our client while passionate about performance, embedding innovations, leveraging technology, and best digital practices. It has been a great experience for me to work with DSP in current role of distribution function and would like to contribute more in future too. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.